Goodwill is the inventor and the leading manufacturer to develop and produce magnetic levitations since 1999, and patented the technology in China and the USA, and also owns more than 14 patents for different technologies in the world. The levitation can be divided into 3 categories: levitation modules, display products and design crafts. The maximum weight endurance can reach 2 kilograms, which means the levitation can carry 2 kilograms gadgets. The maximum levitation gap can reach 80 millimeters, which means the object can be flying 80 millimeters high without any touching or sports. Goodwill has a branch office in Paris for new designs, ideas, and innovations, and become the most professional team for OEM/ODM projects.